Hey there, happy day 1203 of What's She Up To Now. I am using cheat codes, or I'm cheating a little bit today. I'm doing tomorrow's video today to let you know what I'm doing now, because tomorrow is going to be a 100% driving travel day. We're going to be driving from Florida to Indiana to Kokomo, and it's a long drive, so we're going to get up early and go. So I want to quick make my videos today. So I'm hanging out in my beautiful niece's amazing room. We're in the Barbie corner. She's got a Barbie section. She's got a princesses section. She's got beautiful prints, beautiful fun room. And I promised her and my nephew that I would make my videos one in each of their rooms this week while I'm here. So today we are in the beautiful Barbie area. She's a very big Frozen fan, so we have lots of Frozens, lots of Kens, lots of Barbies, lots of other dolls that I don't recognize, which I'm sure I'll learn about with my granddaughters, but I have not yet learned about them. So what are we working on? We're working on our Get Up and Go challenges, pause while I'm traveling. And we're working on our Supersize Your Business. Every day we do an idiom. We discover and we explore what something means. I'm doing about 50 or so days in a row of business-related idioms. So finding the origin of them has been really challenging. It's been interesting. Normally, it's fun and exciting to find the origin of these idioms. Some of them go back, thousands and thousands of years. But the business-related ones are much newer. And a lot of them from the 60s, a lot of them from the 1990s. And so it's hard to find the etymology or the origin of them. But it's still fun to do them. We did the Get Up and Go. We're doing our 365-day annual challenge to do one thing every day that centers you. And again, I cheated and I did one out by the pool for today, since it's a beautiful sunny day. And then tomorrow's I did ahead of time. It's just about a stretch goal. We are stretching and going to Build-A-Bear today, so it'll be fun. We'll get to stretch and do some fun activities, things I haven't done for actually decades when my kids were little. All right, that's it. Have an amazing day. If I can help in any way, ask. Otherwise, travel day today. So I may or may not be, I probably will be available actually, because I will be in a car. So direct message me and I will get back to you if you have any questions. Have an awesome day. Thanks for joining me on my travels and my adventures and my craziness. And I'll of course be with you tomorrow.